So friends, let's see today's Ratalyacha Kees or sweet potato recipe. So here I've soaked the sweet potato in some water for 30 minutes, washed it really well, and then I've peeled it, and using a cheese grater I've grated this to these fine shreds. So transfer this to a large bowl. Now one tip I'd like to give you here is keep all your other ingredients ready and then grate the sweet potato. So now I'm going to add the paste of 2 chilies, green chilies. The reason being this sweet potato turns, discolors really quick. So you have to be really quick with this recipe of mixing everything. So now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of roasted peanut powder or shengdana's koot. I'm going to add the juice of half a lemon. Next I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of sugar and some salt to taste. Now you can adjust the sugar, the salt, the lemon juice, the peanut powder according to your taste. Mix everything really well. Now I'll leave a link of the recipe of how I make roasted peanut powder at home. It's really simple. And for this recipe I like to keep it coarsely ground. Okay, now I'm going to be heating up a pan and adding some ghee or clarified butter to the pan, and then I'm going to add this mixture to the hot ghee. And now we just have to fry this mixture really well in the ghee. So like I said, for this recipe, when I'm grinding the roasted peanuts, I like to grind them to a little bit of a coarser powder with a little bit of whole pieces of peanut. It just, makes this dish really even more delicious with the crunchy bits of roasted peanut. So now I'm going to cover and cook this for 1 minute. And again, I'm going to repeat this process, by stirring it in between, again covering it, again opening it and stirring it. Now you will notice that it does stick to the bottom of the pan a little bit, but you can just scrape it with a spoon. So this entire process till the rataya or the sweet potato really gets ready took me about 7 minutes. I put a timer on my phone, and the entire thing till it was nice and ready and cooked and crispy took about 7 minutes. So keep doing this till you find that it has become a little on the browner, a golden brown color, a light golden brown color, and the texture also is nice and crispy. So this doesn't have many ingredients and it's really a nice dish. You can use it for eat it during Upwas, or you can just have it. It's really tasty, and sweet potato is also recommended. It's really good for health too. And now our dish is ready. So all I need to do is just garnish it with some finely chopped coriander. And you can now turn off the flame, and our dish is all ready. So I'm just going to transfer this to a serving dish. Now you can serve this with plain chilled yogurt, or what I like to do is I like to add a little bit of icing sugar or powdered sugar to the yogurt, and a little bit of a chili paste, and then mix that really well, and that becomes a nice dip to go with this, or just as a side dish to this recipe. So you can use that. You can just add a little bit of powdered sugar and crushed up chili to the dahi or the yogurt and serve it up. So this is an amazing recipe. You must give it a try. It's super simple and really nice. So I hope you like it, and I'll catch you in my next video with another recipe. See you soon, guys. Friends, I hope you like today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's Recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye, and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.